We're back at TT's Old Iron Brewery and Barbecue. Friendly smiles, a casual atmosphere, and of course, great barbecue make TT's a fan favorite.
Easygoing, super friendly.
Beer is great, the food's great. I've had everything on the menu and haven't been disappointed once.
I don't know if there's enough room for everything I want to eat here.
This is actually a neighborhood that I grew up in, so it's very nostalgic for us to have a barbecue restaurant here.
Chef and owner Chad White found that making good barbecue was not only rewarding, was also very popular.
We started here on Father's Day of 2019, and we fed about 1,300 people that day. And that's when we found out barbecue was really the right choice.
Really popular.
Yeah.
I came because I knew about Chef Chad and his other restaurants in town and always been a big fan, and this didn't disappoint at all.
I mean, it's amazing. It's real barbecue food.
So our barbecue is really the best of the best around the country in terms of inspiration. Our pulled pork, we really follow the kind of Carolinas. Our ribs, we're, following flavors and cooking techniques from Kansas City. Our brisket, King of Brisket is Texas, right?
I cannot tell you the last time I ran into a brisket sandwich this tender and tasty.
Brisket is amazing.
You can cut this brisket with a fork.
Brisket's hard.
And is that what we're gonna make today?
That is what we're gonna make today. I'm gonna show you how to do brisket start to finish. Hope you brought your coffee.
Yeah.
Right? And if not, we've got plenty of beers.
I can't wait. Wait, I'm cutting this thing
Oh yeah.
into that thing.
Yep.
Oh dear Lord.
It's gonna be great. So
What are we gonna do?
This is beef brisket.
Okay.
This is kind of like the star of the show in most barbecue restaurants.
Yeah.
This is a pre-trim brisket. This is a trim brisket, and what comes off the smoker is more like this size.
Wow.
The biggest thing about trimming a brisket is you want to remove the pieces of the meat and fat that burns.
My husband is so jealous right now.
Is he?
Oh, he loves barbecue.
It's not on my docket to make husbands jealous. All right, so then you got your point, right?
Right.
And this thing, the way it is really gonna burn off. I come in right about here, and I just start to round this. And all this meat, like we're gonna end up grinding up this stuff. My pitmaster will go back through everything, pick out the good quality stuff, and that'll be for Burger Day tomorrow.
Burger Day. This is harder than it looks.
Next, we trim the fat, and then it's on to the seasoning.
Our rub is 50-50 salt and pepper, and then we do a 25% local coffee. But we wanted to go, how do we make this more Washington, right?
Sure.
How is it homegrown, and how do we continue to support our local businesses here? And so one of those things was bringing in local coffee.
I love it.
And this is a big piece of meat, right? So when I say light meat season, you're probably like, that's not really light, Chad. You want the center of the meat to also have flavor.
Now we put the brisket in the smoker.
And so this is just like opening
Oh my gosh.
you
It's
know,
like Christmas.
a Christmas present.
That's awesome.
And some people would look at this and go like, oh, that looks burnt. Trust me, this is not
It's
burnt.
delicious.
Really, really beautiful. That'll make any barbecue enthusiast super, super happy.
Yeah.
Today, we're serving the brisket with some white bread, potato salad, and coleslaw.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Wow, look at that.
A feast for anyone.
This isn't for one person, is it?
Depends on how big you are.
Depends on the person.
Or how hungry you are, right?
Right. Cheers. Oh my gosh.
Not bad, huh?
It's so tender. I've never had brisket this tender before. Well, Chad, thank you so much.
Oh, thank
This
you.
is amazing.
This has
I
been
think
a
we
blast.
should keep eating though, right?
You don't have to tell me twice.
To get the recipe for TT's brisket, visit wagrown.com.